Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a simple illustration in Figma. First of all, open Figma and create a new design file. You can give it any name you like. For example, I usually rename mine just to make it easier to organize, but it's totally optional. After that, let's bring in the sketch that we're going to work with. Just drag and drop it into your canvas. Once the is in place, we need to add a frame. In this tutorial, I'm using the Instagram post frame with the size of 1080 by 1080 pixel. This size is perfect if you want to share your artwork directly on social media. Okay, now let's move on to the fun part, tracing the sketch. To do this, I'll be using the pen tool. The pen tool allows you to carefully follow along the lines of your sketch. But here's a tip, little tip. If there are areas that can be created using basic shape like circles, rectangle, or triangle, feel free to use those instead. It's much faster and easier than drawing everything with the pen. Nah, here I use basic shape for the sun and the windows. Once you have finished tracing the main outline, it's time to add some color. I have already prepared a color palette that's match the style of my sketch. You can either use my palette or create your own. It's totally up to you. After adding the colors, I fixed the ocean part because it couldn't just be a line, so I used a rectangle shape to fill it properly. To start coloring, first select the shape that you track with the pen tool, then press enter to activate it. After that, use the shortcut Shift plus B to switch to the point bucket tool. Then simple click on the area you want to fill with color and choose the color from your palette. Repeat this process for each part of your illustration until everything has been filled in. After coloring, the first thing I did was turn off the stroke to clean up the line. Okay, here I also fixed the lighthouse light. It was just a line before, so I replaced it with a shape to make it colorable. Then I lowered the saturation of the lighthouse light to make it look more like a real glowing light. After that, it just finishing touch. Maybe adjust some shape, fix the curves, or tweak the colors a little until it feels right. Take your time with this part, it makes your illustration look polished and professional. And that's it. You've got yourself a cool illustration in Figma. Easy, right? Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. Try it out with your own sketch and see what you come up with. And yeah, that's all for today. Catch you in the next one.